Thanks for joining me here at another episode of Cleaning with the Academy. I'm your coach, Dave Thompson, and you might see that I'm here at the home of the Buccaneers. That's right, Tampa Bay. Here's my hat for the day. It's how to apply a baseboard stripper on the floor. You know, many times people take their baseboard stripper, they put it in a mop bucket and slap it on the baseboard. You know what? I don't do that. I mix it up, put it in a pump-up sprayer. Let me show you how I do it. You know what? I only need to get it here on the baseboard. I don't need to get it everywhere. So right here, I'm going to spray it right on that baseboard. Oh, by the way, you pump it up like this. You spray it right there on that baseboard, right down the edge. I get the product right where I want to, use as little as I need. Come on back for another hat. Cleaning with the Academy.